Hello, everybody. This is Captain Sweep, and this is your training of the day. What we're looking at behind me is the time stream. And basically, what we have is a series of circles where we're trying to create places where time exists. I can tell I'm really good at drawing these circles. This is kind of my first time using this whiteboard. And so there's 9 circles. There's 9 numbers. And what we want to do is we want to connect the circles together into a circuit. And so if we start here and we look at your lifetime, Jesus, this is not so good. That's your whole, that's the upper right. It's purple. This is your entire life. So when you look at something that's your entire life, it's very different from looking at something in a year or an hour or a month or a week, right? This is your entire lifetime. This is the whole. This is on the outside. This is the outer parameters of your life. And then that lifetime is divided by years. Right? And those years can be broken up into seasons. And seasons is the main reference point in the whole timing because seasons create the most difference. There's a huge difference between winter and summer, but sometimes we can't tell the difference between years or weeks or months, right? But seasons we can tell the difference between because that's the main reference point for our lives. So we connect then to the moon, the lunar cycle. We're not looking at months because months are artificially created. So we have a moon cycle. There's 13 of these. So there's 13 moon cycles in the years, and there's however many years you have in a lifetime, and then the seasons kind of connect in between. And then we have the moon cycle is broken down into the day cycle. And this is like Groundhog Day, where we're doing the same thing over and over. And the day cycle is broken down into the hour cycle. And then the hour cycle is broken down into the minutes. And then we look at things a little bit different. Now we're going into the present moment, the now. So to finish the circuit, we're going to do something quite different. We're going to create something that's called timelessness. And that's where you're sort of outside of the time cycle. It's a bridge up. It's a bridge through. It's the connection into other dimensions, to higher frequencies. And that's the difference with the now. You can just be in the now and you're in your normal state of mind, or you can be in timelessness where you're expanded, maybe connected through DMT to some other world. And then timelessness links back into your whole lifetime. Sometimes you can see your whole life popping before your eyes when you're just about to die or going through some sort of emergency. But what this is called the time stream. And what it is it's a picture, it's a map that you can then start to map other generations on top of it. And this map is at the basis of the whole Inflow Matrix Operating System. And so that's why I'm starting with this map. So this is a very important thing to know.